1. Go to sleep at a consistent time. Your body runs on rhythm. Random sleep schedules disrupt your energy, focus, and mood the next day. When you sleep at roughly the same time each night, your body learns when to rest and when to perform. 2. Wake up before 7 a.m. Not some extreme routine, just early enough that your morning doesn't start in a rush. That small head start gives you breathing room before distractions begin competing for your attention. 3. Stay off your phone for the first 30 minutes. Your brain is highly impressionable right after waking. Whatever you consume first sets the mental tone for your day. If you begin with notifications and noise, your focus scatters. Protect the first 30 minutes and you protect your attention span. 4. Hydrate right after waking. Before coffee, before your phone, drink a full glass of water. Your body has gone the whole night without fluids. What feels like morning grogginess is often simple dehydration. One glass can switch your energy back on quickly. 5. Smile even when it feels forced. Not because everything is perfect, but because your body listens to the signals you send it. Hold the smile for a few seconds and your state begins to shift. Sometimes the body leads and the mind follows. 6. Write one sentence of gratitude daily. Not fluffy journaling, deliberate mental training. When you force your brain to notice what's working, your perspective starts to rebalance. Attention is a muscle. Train it toward progress. 7. Choose one non-negotiable task. Each day, pick one thing that must get done. Not 10 things, one meaningful action that moves your life forward. Even on low energy days, that task gets finished. This is how real progress compounds. 8. Use the 3-second switch. When your mind says, "I'll do it later," don't debate it. Count down, 3, 2, 1, and move. Stand up, start the task. Take the first step immediately. Fast action shuts down overthinking. 9. Work in timed focus blocks. Focus for 25 minutes, then rest for 5. Repeat. This is the Pomodoro method. It trains deep concentration without burning you out. When your work has clear structure, distractions lose power. 10. Apply the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, handle it now. Don't postpone it. Small delays quietly grow into bigger procrastination. Quick actions create momentum, and momentum makes harder tasks easier to begin. 11. Eat for stable energy. Food that only tastes good often leads to energy crashes later. Most balanced, whole meals won't spike dopamine, but they keep your energy steady and your mind clear. Eat in a way that supports performance. 12. Move your body every day. Gym session, brisk walk, or quick home workout. It all counts. Your body drives your energy levels. When it stays active, your mind stays sharper. Daily movement clears mental fog and reinforces discipline. 13. Stretch for 2 minutes every hour. Not a full workout, just enough to reset the body. Long periods of stillness slowly drain your energy and focus. Small movement breaks keep your system alert and your mind switched on. 14. Give one sincere compliment each day, not surface-level praise. Genuine recognition. People remember how you make them feel. Positive energy moves quietly, but it has a strong habit of returning when you least expect it. 15. Be intentional about your circle. If the people around you constantly focus on drama and other people's lives, your standards slowly drop. Gossip drains ambition. Spend more time with people who talk about goals, ideas, and building something meaningful. 16. Develop one high-value skill. Choose something the real world rewards and commit to improving at it daily. Jumping between skills feels productive, but depth is what increases your income and opportunities. 17. Read 10 pages a day, not to rush through books, but to expose your mind to better thinking. Every page holds lessons someone else paid for with years of experience. 10 pages daily compounds into quiet intelligence most people never build. 18. Say no more often, not to be difficult, but to protect your time and energy. Every unnecessary yes pulls attention away from what actually matters. People who move forward in life guard their focus like it's limited, because it is. 19. Set tomorrow up the night before. If you wake without a plan, the entire day becomes reactive. Spend 5 minutes each night listing your top priorities. Decide what matters most. Decide what starts first. When the plan is already made, your morning begins with direction. Follow even half of these consistently, and you'll start seeing real change. Subscribe.